Ryder, it's not starting yet. Don't
good
worry.
evening from a boat outside of Hollywood Studios.
Oh,
we are on
fireworks.
Oh, and fireworks. So we are on the Harmonious boat cruise, and I have a special guest.
Hi.
It's Ray. No, it's equityben and Dum Dum Hubby.
And Dreidel.
And Ryder.
And the dreidel.
So we are ending, this is the last night of our annual vacation for Ryder's birthday, and we're ending it with a bang with a private fireworks cruise. And I film our captain, but the light would blind him and he's driving. So we're gonna let him, we'll get him later. But join us for our private fireworks cruise on our last night of our vacation. Woo! So that's the Swan.
But originally, that was supposed to be the Swan.
I got it.
So they mismarked. They were supposed to be switched, but they mismarked them.
It's too much of a hassle to change them.
I can imagine.
Can't believe it.
So this is the Atlantic Dance Hall.
It's really, it's about time.
It's good stuff, right?
It needed to be back open. The dance hall, of course,
I'm so excited.
We actually had the cabinet there when they did have it. And
So here is, we're pulling into Epcot. There's the Skyliner, as you can kind of see it. And there's Paris, or France. So this is where we're at. We're right under the bridge. That's the France. And then that's Rose and Crown over there.
So is this where we watch it from?
Yes.
This is where we watch it from? You watch it from here? Yeah. Okay.
So we get to watch it right from here. So Ben worked for Disney.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it's pretty hard to like blow my mind, and we need a mop. We just found out why they call it the poop deck.
Is our Captain Norm.
Hello.
And you've been with Disney for how long?
17 and a half years.
17 and a half years. And then this is all the crowd. We cut in front of them. This is all the crowd on the boat. And as you can see, there's 4 boats,
So,
and we're all tied up together.
ducks out here. Okay. There you go. Hold it up. You gotta wait until the music stops.
Ryder, let me see your breath. Let me see your breath.
Come on, you guys. There you
Blow.
go.
Yay!
Good job.
You blew it out.
Wait, what?
Okay, here's the fireworks.
Here's the show. Here's the show.
The world
Okay, so Ryder, what do you think of the show?
Good, Anna.
Do you give it 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Okay. Charlotte, what do you give the show?
A 10 out of 10.
Charlotte watch it.
Charlotte, you have to.
What do you give the show?
10.
10 out of 10?
Okay.
And what do you guys think?
Amazing. First of all, this is the only way to do fireworks. Every time you watch fireworks at Epcot, it's done and then you're gonna walk to your car. This is the best.
Yes.
They're taking us right back to our car on a freaking boat. Like, this is the best. But also the show was amazing too.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we pretty much ruined. He can never see the show. And I have my glasses on. He can never see the show again. So it was great. Like, it was great. I was kind of concerned about not being able to see the circle, but it was great. Honey, what'd you think?
It was fantastic. I had a great time.
And Aaron?
Amazing. Amazing. I loved it.
Okay, Ryder, what do we say?
Click and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Oh.
So we are back in the car. We just left Yacht Club, and it is 11 o'clock. So I was concerned about the Harmonious cruise, the private fireworks cruise, because you can't see the middle, the circle part of the barge. But where we were positioned, we still had a great center view of two of the side barges.
Yes, we did.
Yes, see, Ryder said it, and it was great. I thought it was fantastic. It was.
Yes, it was dreidel great.
It was dreidel great. So it was fantastic. It was really great. So equityben and I formed a friendship through Instagram, and when we decided to do this, I just invited them. We wanted to meet in person, and their daughter Charlotte is about a year and a half younger than Ryder, a little bit less than a year and a half younger than Ryder. They had a ball. We're planning the wedding, and so I'm already planning the wedding. We got a good 20 years on that, but it was really great. Got to, chat with them, really entertaining. So I probably didn't film as much as I probably should have if I was going to be a vlogger, but we were just enjoying the evening, and the fireworks were fantastic. So I had not seen, I was waiting for reviews of the Harmonious fireworks cruise to see if we wanted to do it, because I was concerned of the location. However, if you are considering doing it, I think it's fantastic. I think it's a great location. I think it's worth the money. If you're thinking about doing the Rose and Crown or Spice Road, I personally think that this is probably a better it was a better experience. They had snacks. We were able to bring a nice box of wine. You can't bring any glass, so I brought a nice box of wine and some drinks. And you can bring snacks. Ryder, we brought food for him. They had snacks for us as well, Cokes, water, everything that you could need. It was great. So with that, Ryder, what did you think of it? Good. It was good? And you got a gift, right? So Ryder I had posted something that Ryder wanted a dreidel. Yeah. And they brought Ryder a dreidel.
Yes, a plush dreidel, so I can hug it.
Yes, so he got a plush dreidel so he can hug it. So that was really, really sweet. And we also got some sugar cookies that we're gonna make at home. And
our hotel home.
No, not our hotel home, because we are going home tomorrow. But otherwise, I will say that it was fantastic. If you haven't heard of equityben, which if you're watching this, you probably have, but definitely follow him. I will post a link to his Instagram below. He does happy hours, he does joke of the day, he does cooking segments, any schmuck can cook, baking with Charlotte, which is his daughter, just a lot of stuff. He was the one of the original historians, Eric, from Frozen Sing-Along in Hollywood Studios. He has since, I guess, retired and has become a stay-at-home dad to Charlotte. So, so he does basically independent work now. So I will post his link below to his Instagram. Definitely check him out. If you're watching this, you probably know who he is. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. What do you say, Ryder?
Hi.
What do you say, though?
Click and subscribe. Hope you enjoy dreidels.